Hi folks, so you're currently looking forward to the events that are coming up. You see this page and you're thinking, wow, we've got some events due. This looks interesting, but my event's not there. Well, we have two options. We can click the button here or we can register here. Two different ways of looking at this particular event. So you can actually add information about your event, the title of your event. So if I was to call it OnPoint Premium, and I wanted to add details of that, I could insert it into the page there and then. May need some editing, it needs a little bit of adding on, etc. Let's say, for example, that it's on, I don't know, the next one is in, say, 2 weeks' time on the 15th, for example. We can set a date of, say, 10 a.m. and we can then set that next one there for the end date. You make sure that the dates are correct, it really does help. We can add again to make sure that it's the right time there. Show on shortcodes. Yes, you want it to show because you want it to be visible. Location wise, if it's going to be an online one, at the moment you don't need it. Who's the organizer? Well, we can insert the new organizer and we will call him Jason. Okay, so we have his event being loaded. Really useful. We can add a telephone number and email addresses, etc. And we can then, if we had Jason's name there, we could add that into that particular process. So you may want to put in the fact that he is part of OnPoint network. You could also potentially put in a LinkedIn address there if it's appropriate, etc. The cost in this particular instance is going to be 0. Featured image. Again, this can be quite important to share information on. So what we'll do is we will take an image from our selection, add that in. We have a category, etc., and we can add in on point, putting the comma in. Now we can edit this at any stage, that's not a problem. We can submit the event. So this event is now being submitted, it is now published, which is good, and it will mean that it's ready to be visible, and we can get some idea potentially of the image information if we want to, just by looking at a event page and see how it all appears. Ladies and gentlemen, each of these events we will be checking to make sure they're 100% okay and supporting you through developing any event at all, and that will be hopefully of some help to you.